All right, so using the park assist system inside of the Nautilus is a very straightforward process. So we're going to start off by literally just hitting the P button just underneath the media screen, and we're just going to select Active Park Assist. So by default, it's going to look to the right side. We can press the left turn stick for it to look on the left side instead. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to follow the directions on the screen. So we're just going to start driving forward. Oh, space found. Perfect. Now it wants us to release the steering wheel, which we've done. We're going to shift it down into reverse and going to take your foot off the brake, hit the gas, and watch this. Literally doing it all. Oh my God, that was fast. Oh my, that was so fast. That was so fast. Oh, because I have to be, oh, that's hilarious, because you've got to be controlling the gas and the brake. So think about that one. It does go very fast. We've got to go to the drive mode there, and it's going to drive forward. There we go. So just make sure that your foot's hovering over the gas and the brake, and it should. There we go, 3, 2, 1. So just make sure when you're using the parallel or the perpendicular parking, you're hovering over the gas and brake, because you still technically need to use those systems yourself. But pretty straightforward to use it. And then using the parallel park out is also very straightforward. So hitting that P button again, we've got our active park assist, and we're gonna go parallel park out. We want to go to the left because we want to leave from the left. So we've got to release the steering wheel, and we've got to shift into reverse. And again, same thing, controlling the gas and the brake as we go. So the vehicle's going to be backing us up, as you can see, backing us up slowly. Stop. Wants us to shift into drive, and it's cranking the steering wheel for us now, and it's finished. So all we would do then is just start to drive forward, and it's that simple using the parallel park inside of this thing. Now let's find a spot so that we can also do the perpendicular parking. So where are we going to go for that? Let's go back to the dealership lot here. All right, here we go. So good. I completely forgot that park assisted that you've got to have the gas and the brake going. So it's like, oh, what's happening right now? So good, so good. All right, here we go. I'm gonna go this way. Okay, next up, so we're gonna go, oh, this is nice because there's some obstacles. Let's see how it does here. So what we're gonna do for perpendicular parking is hit that little P button again, park assist. We're gonna go for perpendicular parking, and I want it to look on the left-hand side. I'm really curious how it's about to handle the obstacles that are there. So I'm gonna drive forward. Oh, amazing. It found one even quicker. That's so good. All right, so we're gonna put us into reverse, and same idea. So we're hovering over the gas and the brake. So I definitely forgot to do that last time. So we're hovering over the gas and the brake, and the vehicle is going to do literally the wheel spin itself. I'm hands-free at this point. Whoa, wants us in drive. Oh, I see what it's doing because it's correcting the spot. Okay, there we go. All right, and hands off the wheel. Stop. Wants us in reverse. Same idea. A little bit of gas, and back it goes. Boom. Literally that simple using the park assist system inside of this vehicle.